All right, so I got the grill, and this is how it looks. It's nice. Got the emblem on it. So it's only 4 bolts. So what we're gonna do is I took off these 2 bolts on this side, and then it connects right here, or right here. I think right here. And then, cause the steering stabilizer goes right here, and I guess it connects under it. So that's how we're gonna do it, and then we'll be right back. All right, so it's the bolts right here. So I guess when I get the stabilizer, I'll take these bolts and replace them with the longer bolts. Let me tighten these up, and then also the ones on the bottom. All right, so that was basically it. I just got done tightening the bottom bolts. It doesn't have to be super tight or torqued down, just make sure they're tight. Yeah, it's basically how it came out. It looks good though. Better protection. All right, y'all, so we're doing oil change today. It's about 600 miles. And we're gonna do, first we're gonna crack this one open, and then take this one out as per the manual says. So let's do that, and I'll get right back with y'all. All right, so just took it out. Like the manual says, you have to do these filters first, strainers. Everything looks good. This one looks good. So you don't have to change these the first time, but you only have to change the oil filter. The oil filter doesn't even look bad. So I went to AutoZone and I grabbed the K&N filter. It's the same number. So if you guys want to look for that, it's the same thing, same size. Everything fits. So if you want to get this, it's the part number right here. It was about 11 bucks, 10 bucks. Not that bad. We'll see how it does. But let me get this all drained out, and I'll come right back to you guys. All right, so when you do the oil filter change and all that, just make sure you tilt the bike back up to get all the oil out. Once it doesn't come out, then you know you're done. Let it drip a little bit, get all the excess oil off, and then we're gonna put the oil filter back in, tighten these down, torque them, and then we should be good to go. And then I'll show you how to reset the maintenance light. Okay, one thing I wanted to say is that this is a KTM part. So if you want to get the original one from KTM, you can too also. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody knows this is a 790 engine. But put everything back, torqued it. Now I'm about to tighten these down, and then we're gonna fill it up. All right, so once you fill it up, you wanna make sure you start it so you get the full reading of it. Tip the bike, make sure. Then just make sure that it's level, and if you need more, you should top it off. But that's about it for the oil change. And then I'll show you how to change the maintenance light on it. Give me 1 second. So you want to go to service, and then hold enter. And then, are you sure you want to reset the maintenance? Click yes. Oh, I didn't. I have to do it again. I didn't click the right one. So we're holding down the menu button, and then you want to set yes. Click it, and then that's the next service. And that's how you do it. So you just hold down enter, until you see the menu come up, and then you click yes, and then that's it. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment. You guys can ask me anything. I'm willing to reply. This bike's been great, so I have no issues with it so far. I will be doing another review on it, so I appreciate everybody's comments and feedback. I bought this bike for me, but I'm doing YouTube for you guys just because I know this bike is not well, I think the bike is going to get popular because of the price. So, and everybody has an ibex too, so that's the same thing as, you know, as this bike, just a little bigger. So I appreciate everybody watching. Like I said, comment, like, subscribe. It really helped me. I appreciate you guys. It's your boy Dre. Be safe out there.